Sliding patio doors in Coppell, Texas, offer a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces, enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your home. These doors are available in various materials, including vinyl and aluminum, providing options for every homeowner's taste and budget. Sliding patio doors. Coppell are designed for easy operation and durability, making them a popular choice for many residents. French patio doors. Coppell add a touch of elegance and sophistication to any home, with their classic design and wide-opening capabilities. These doors are perfect for homeowners looking to create a grand entrance to their patio or garden area. French patio doors Coppell are available in custom designs to match the unique style of your home. Patio door installation. Coppell is a service provided by experienced professionals who ensure that your doors are installed correctly and efficiently. Proper installation is crucial for the functionality and longevity of your patio doors. Trust the experts in Coppell, Texas for all your patio door installation needs. Energy-efficient patio doors Coppell are designed to reduce energy costs by providing superior insulation. These doors help maintain a comfortable indoor temperature, regardless of the weather outside. Energy-efficient patio doors Coppell are an excellent investment for homeowners looking to save on energy bills. Custom patio doors. Coppell allow homeowners to personalize their doors to fit their specific needs and preferences. Whether you want a unique design or specific materials, custom patio doors Coppell can be tailored to your exact specifications. This customization ensures that your patio doors complement your home's overall design. Patio door replacement Coppell is necessary when your existing doors are damaged or outdated. Replacing old patio doors with new modern options can improve your home's appearance and functionality. Patio door replacement. Coppell services are available to help you choose the best doors for your home. Patio door replacement. Coppell is essential for maintaining the functionality and security of your doors. Whether it's a broken lock, damaged frame, or faulty handle, patio door replacement Coppell services can address any issues you may have. Regular maintenance and replacement can extend the life of your patio doors. Vinyl patio doors. Coppell are a popular choice due to their durability and low maintenance requirements. These doors are resistant to weathering and provide excellent insulation, making them ideal for the Coppell TX climate. Vinyl patio doors. Coppell are available in various styles and colors to match your home's decor. Aluminum patio doors. Coppell offer a sleek and modern look, perfect for contemporary homes. These doors are lightweight yet strong, providing excellent security and durability. Aluminum patio doors Coppell are also resistant to rust and corrosion, making them a long-lasting option for homeowners. Glass patio doors Coppell provide an unobstructed view of your outdoor space, allowing natural light to flood your home. These doors are available in various styles, including sliding and French to suit your preferences. Glass patio doors Coppell can be customized with different glass types for added privacy and energy efficiency.